Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadroid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Asus ROG Ally is stuck on logo screen and how you can fix this. So if you're having an issue with the stuck on logo screen, and you can try with these possible workaround. The first one is all about we need to try connecting the charger. So when you feel like it is completely stuck on the logo screen, you can try connecting the Asus ROG Ally with a charger. You can try connecting it to the power source, and you can try press the power button once again and see whether the issue is solved. Sometimes when you give the power source, when it is connected to the power, so the issue has to be fixed. The same way, because for me 2 days ago I had this similar issue on the stuck on screen only once after purchasing this for I have to say I already bought this around 1 month back, and I had only one issue on the stuck on screen only one time. When I had this particular issue, I simply connected it to the power source. I connected the charger to the Asus ROG Ally, then it's connected to the power source. I turned I on it, and afterwards I just press and hold the power button, so it was fine afterwards. So you can try with this one, and that will be working fine for you guys. Next one is all about you need to let the device cool down. So it might, because of many reasons, when the Asus ROG Ally is completely heated up, it starts working unresponsive. At the same time, it start behaving any other thing randomly, it starts behaving. So what we need just to do is we just need to keep the Asus ROG Ally to cool down. Let me say we can keep this for around half an hour or something, but it will be cooled down before that. But let me say you can keep this for half an hour. Just keep it there and let it completely cooled up, and once you can check with your hands whether it is red hot. If it's red hot, you have to keep it wait, or else most probably after 10 minutes it will be completely cooled down and it will be like good fine with it. So if that once after it's completely cooled down, you can press the power button once again. You can try launching it back, and that's going to work for you as well. Next one is all about you can try with the next one, that is all about we need to try with the force restart. So force restart is actually a big solution for many of these kind of issues, because you always used to mention in the iPhone troubleshoot guides, I used to mention to everyone, sometimes a force restart can fix a lot of issue. Same for the Asus ROG Ally as well. So to do a force restart, you have to press over here in the power button. We have the power button. Same way we have to press, we also have a volume down button. So the volume rockers are here, the up is here, the low is here. So we have to press the power button and volume down button over here for 10 seconds. When you press and hold this for 10 seconds, the device will be completely turn it off. Afterwards, it will turn on once again back. And once after done with this, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. After trying with all these things, including the force restart, the issue is still there. The next is all about we need to contact the Asus ROG support. You need to talk to them, or you can book an appointment with the technician. You can move to them and you can talk to them, because there is nothing you have to do. If sometimes the issue might be related to the hardware, or the screen might be damaged, so there is nothing you can do from your side. So all these 3 steps which I mentioned is actually a common troubleshoot which can be done from your side, and I strongly believe the force restart can fix the issue. At the same time, if you keep the device to cool down, can also fix the issue as well. So this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the Asus ROG Ally is stuck on logo screen and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.